gotta tell you to go. I know that I need you, but you'll never know. It may be too obvious, but can't you see? You take me to places I don't wanna leave. When it hits me in slow motion, then it's right where I belong. It runs deeper than an ocean, and we've only just begun. When I'm underneath the surface, will you ever let me go? This could be better, stronger, deeper than. The breath in between. The minute you stay and the second you leave. When it hits me in slow motion, then it's right where I belong. It runs deep.
So I got a rant for like 2 seconds. People are straight up like sitting at the edge of the bridge or like running across and like being crazy because they just have to get an Instagram picture or video, and it's honestly disgusting. And people die all the time because of it, and it's not okay. Oh my god, it's not worth it. As I yeah.
This could be better, stronger, deeper than. This could be better, stronger, deeper than I know. When it hits me in slow motion, then it's right where I belong. It runs deeper than an ocean, and we've only just begun. When I'm underneath the surface,
I feel like I love stairs. Ah.